Hey guys, you welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look on how to get free data on your internet in any country, just worldwide. It can work for you. Just stay connected until the end. You get to know step by step. This one is legit, no strings attached, no techniques in it. So just get connected until the end. Watch the video, follow step by step. You know what to do. So here you should have internet, some little MBs in case, but as for my case, I already have my connections on my internet of the Tun Wire, yes, of which we are going to learn on how to get to connect it. So let me show you some little proof about it. Like, I don't have completely no MBs on my phone, so here is the proof. As we are checking everything, 0 KB, 0.00 KB, but I have internet I have access to internet here. This is what I can do. Let me first turn it on, then you see, yep, you'll just start hearing message flowing because I already have internet connections already. Yeah, so here then I'm going to take you step by step. Let me ensure that, let me first see that my turner is on. Yes, this is it. It's not yet connected. I connect it. This takes a little process of it. Yeah, as you see now I'm connected. Yeah, let's get back to the first point. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, when you're sure you have the internet connected, and you have some little data that you can use to download this thing, you just go to Play, turn on Wire Tun. Then it's here for me showing open since because I already have it. But let's go into the details of it and have a look at about it. Yeah, something easy. Wanted to get to know the details about the Wire Tun. As you're viewing here, its details, the downloads. Sorry about that. The details, downloads, it's over 1 AM plus downloads, and started just a few years back. That's 2011, 2021. That's last year, because we're in 2022, so that's last year. So as you're viewing, even messages are flowing in, meaning the thing is really legit. So let's open it, our eternal, and see on what to do really. Yeah, here for me I'm already connected, but I'm getting onto the details on how to use it. Yeah, so here before you get let me first disconnect, then as you're watching here, this tunnel always needs it always needs time for it to run. As you're seeing on my countdown here, let me show you on my countdown here. Yeah, it is showing time, so it will need you always to increase on your time. But how do you do that? You just come here at this corner, you come to this corner where there is add time. Yeah, you come to the corner where there is add time, then you click on it, corner add time, click. It will bring some option. Yes, you click on it, it will start to load like that. After that, it will bring you a video. As you're watching, that's the video it has brought us. It's just always an advertisement, and now this one they have brought us, it's that. So you watch for it for seconds. It runs for some few seconds, then after that, this corner, yeah, it runs there. After running, then you are granted, Sorry. After that, you granted permission to open. You have gained time, so you just come to cancel. You cancel it. Then as you see, time has increased by some few seconds, by some few minutes. Sorry. So after, if you need to increase more, you do the same. You tap to bring that option. You tap free watch. It loads for a moment. Then after that, it brings you. And sometimes you might do it and it fails to bring you the video, but you continue doing it, until it brings you that option of adding time, of watching that video. After it brings you that, it adds time automatically. After that, it's connected. As you see, it has failed to bring us the option, but you'd redo it until it gives you, as you see, it has brought it. So we can add some time. Yeah, as you see there, it is count on a countdown. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, after that, it is, you can cancel. It has increased by an hour plus. Yes, as you see. Yeah, so meaning it has increased. So after that, it is, you already connected. Then good, you are good to go. You just go look for what you want to watch. You can go to Facebook, WhatsApp. Yeah, my message already loading here. You see messages are mob. Yeah, let's not go there much in details. TikTok. You can watch videos. You can do anything. Yeah, thank you. Stay connected until the end. Name my Peter is. Then let me take you to YouTube. You will see. Yeah, even though you get to YouTube, let's